Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this is a news posted by the New York Times where it is saying that the movie theater chain in LA forced to close down by the pandemic, and they have talked about arclight cinemas that has been closed down because of the pandemic. And this has been happening in not only in US but across the globe, that hospitality entertainment sector is the one which has been in doldrums, and with regular shutting downs, this not only cripple the particular stock but the entire industry as well. So we have thought that now the vaccine is on the way, things will normalize eventually in a slow and steady manner, but it doesn't work out in the same way which we have thought. But this is not only about arclight cinemas and Pacific theater locations. The company has said in the statement, because it goes on including AMC and Regal cinemas. So uh, some movie theaters has been hit. So it has been written that some also other movie theaters, and this is one of those cinema chains which are listed in stock exchange. So AMC is one of them. Then we have Regal cinemas. So these kind of things are happening, and when companies force down like this, so you have one more news that Draft House Cinema chain has already filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. So these kind of things are happening, and this does not makes or feels good, because if you are invested in, it's not about that they have talked about AMC, but it will definitely have a negative impact on the stock as well. So when the entire industry is in a spiral, and one after another company is filing for bankruptcy or it's forced to close down, then definitely it will have a negative impact if we are listed or non-listed, everything. So as far as the AMC stock is concerned, as you can see that the current support, I mean trend wise, the current support, it has its current support at 8.92, but it has broken down and it is moving towards 7.61 on the downside. Now be aware of this fact that if it closed below 7.61, we will have our next support at or near to this green line, which is a 200-day moving average. So the next support this stock will look for will be at or near 5.36. So be very much aware about that, and don't try to play with fire. So this is the only thing, because it's not only about the news which are available in the stock market. So it's not about buying and selling shares, because things are happening on ground, and if this kind of things continues to happen, this will force the stock to move on the downside. So this is a very big thing, and this will push the stock on the downside in the weeks as well as in the months to come. So be very much aware of that. The only thing is, if there is an assurance from the local state or from the head government that it's going to move now, and we have already vaccinated couple of things, so some sort of indication from the state government will be helpful. But until and unless these kind of things are happening, be very much aware about the levels, and if you have entered in this kind of stock, you need to be very shrewd with the support level at least. Otherwise you will lose most of the principal amount that you have invested right now. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.